want you to know how I feel. Right now, let me keep it real. Why don't you know the deal? Even though I rarely tell you that you again, it's because I'm afraid of someone else you would be looking. You always tell me time and time again to get by me. There's no one else you wanna be but standing right beside me. You say nobody's like me, no, ain't nobody like you. Couldn't find him if I tried to. When I try to, I'll find you right in front of me with those gorgeous eyes and another with love. My niggas look at you and say that you got a sister, and I can see you in my happily married picture. Yeah, I'm talking inside, better on my ass. Love you when you tire as your arm on my chest. Even though I don't see it so much, just know that I'm in love. I love you. 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 I love what she wants to do, I'll let her anything to give us pleasure. And when we done, she doesn't leave. She just lays on top of me. Then right away she wants to sleep. And even though it's been rocky lately, sometimes you can try.